Hi, welcome back to Bite 70. Today I'm going to show you how to make udon and how to enhance the flavors of its ingredients without using any seasoning. We're all just going to use some salt and a little bit of dashi, and that's it. So I have here some deboned chicken thigh, and I removed any excess fat. I'm just going to sprinkle with salt, and that's it. I'm going to go pretty light on it. I'm only going to do one side. I'm going to do this about, I'm going to let it sit for about half an hour. And this, let dehydrate the skin a little bit more so this will come out a little crispier. So I'm going to remove this end of the napa cabbage. And I'm going to cut it in small pieces. I'm going to save the tip here, mainly just the outside, and then we'll keep that mainly for presentation. So I'm going to keep this part, I'm going to save it for later. The rest of this, I'm going to put it into our soup. Now I have here some leeks. I'm going to remove the ends. The sweetest part of the leeks is at the white part here. So I'm actually going to chop these up into bite size, and then I'm going to pan fry them. So for shiitake mushrooms, how you choose them is you want to choose them with deeper grooves, more pattern compared to something like this. This itself is not going to be very flavorful, nor is it going to have much impact on flavor. So it's very hard to find good North American shiitake mushrooms or fresh ones. So a lot of times you can just use the dry ones and then soak it and then use it as well. But I figure, you know what? This looks pretty decent, so let me try it out and see how it is. I'm going to add my chicken bones in here. I'm just going to boil it for a few minutes, about 5 minutes, just to remove the impurities of the chicken, and then I'll add it into my soup stock. When the pan's hot, I'm going to put my shrimp in here. So these shrimp have been in my freezer for about a year and I was hidden. So it's all freezer burn. So they probably don't taste good in terms of eating wise. So I'm going to use this as my stock. Once I got a good char on them, I'm just going to put in my soup stock. So I transfer all my shrimp and my chicken in here. I'm going to add some water. I'm making a very strong stock, so it'll be easier for me to cook soup in smaller batches in the future. For each cup of water, I'm adding about a tablespoon of dashi. Now, I'm being lazy. Feel free to look at my Udon video. I have a little bit more detail on how to make a dashi broth from scratch. But if you're short of time, this is a quick, easy fix. So soup's been simmering on low heat for about an hour now. And that's enough to kind of extract most of the flavor. We can boil some more if you want to. Now, I'm going to add my aromatics in here. So I have here a bundle of green onions, apple cabbage. And we'll let this simmer for about like half an hour to an hour. Now it's been simmering for about 20 minutes or so now. I'm going to add in my carrots and daikon. I'm going to cook this for the remaining 10 minutes, just so it softens up a bit. So in the same pan where I roasted my shrimp, I'm doing a low medium heat. So, after I cooked all my chicken, I still have a lot of oil left. I'm gonna transfer it to a small bowl. And in the same pan, on low heat, I'm gonna roast some of my leeks and my shiitakes. The nice thing about shiitake mushrooms is that it absorbs a lot of flavor, and it has a lot of water in it as well. Now there's still a lot of flavor in the pan, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of our soup, and we're just going to deglaze the pan, and we'll put this back in the broth. Okay, after some boiling water, we'll add in my udon. These are already cooked, so you just want to loosen it up, let it warm up, and then it's good to go.
Okay, I'm ready. Ooh, okay. Fancy, fancy. I see you. I'm getting Japan. Okay, baby. Good job. Ooh. Chicken looks good. I love all the colors. These mushrooms look perfectly cooked. I feel like my mouth is watering. It could also be because I'm starving. But I'll be patient because a good mix is necessary for all the flavors, right? Okay. Yes. It has that seafood umami. This is really good, baby. Very fresh noodles. What are these, udon? I feel like you really got the umami down. Like the complex flavors. Oh, I don't get a napkin though, right? Okay, this is a show of hard times, guys.
Did you eat the shiitake?
No. It's really good. Is there like a little bit of vinegar in there?
There is no vinegar. There's only salt as seasoning, and then the dashi powder. But aside from that, everything else is all natural flavors.
It's very flavorful. This is like, it's perfect umami without feeling heavy. You know what I mean? Like it's still kind of light, like that seafood light.
Yeah, that's more like the Japanese style, where they try to focus on ingredients instead of seasoning.
Yes. I love these mushroom things. What are they called again?
Enoki mushrooms.
They kind of remind me of perfect, skinny, very skinny noodles. The chicken is cooked to perfection. I love that skin, that crispy skin.
Is it still crispy despite you soaking it in the water?
It's still crispy despite me soaking it in the water. I feel like overall it's refreshing but flavorful. Like it still gives that lingering umami flavor without being too intense or too heavy. So good job, baby. Good winter soup. I feel like hydrated and full.